Any equipment maintenance management program can offer a way to drive significant savings through the consolidation of contracts and reduction in administrative burden. But with Remi, you get more. Since 1998, Remi has offered thousands of higher education institutions a customer-centric approach that puts your needs first every time. In fact, 9 out of 10 customers agree that Remi offers an excellent customer experience, handling customer needs from start to finish, including managing your agreements, handling the coordination of servicing, working with our extensive vendor network, overseeing the invoice process, and providing you local presence and ongoing interaction. We take care of it so you don't have to. It's what we do. Whether you are a professor, researcher, or lab manager, Remi offers a simplistic approach to equipment maintenance management and gives you peace of mind so you can get back to doing what you do best, focusing on education and research. It's who we are. Learn more at www.theremigroup.com/education or give us a call to see how we can save you up to 25% on your equipment maintenance contracts today.